Memory card. Before use, insert a mini TF card with a reading speed of C10 or above and a maximum support of 512 GB. After inserting the storage card, press the waterproof plug tightly to ensure the waterproof effect of the recorder. Button instructions. Power on and off. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. At this time, the host will beep and vibrate 3 times, and the recording function will automatically start. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to shut down. The host will beep and vibrate 7 times to shut down. Video recording. Short press the power button to start or pause recording, accompanied by a vibration prompt. Wi-Fi. When turned on, Wi-Fi is turned on by default. If there is no Wi-Fi connection, it will be turned off by default after 5 minutes. After turning off, you need to use the remote control to turn it on, or turn it off and then turn it back on again. Remote control operation. Power button. Can turn on the remote control or turn off the host. Photo button. Can capture pictures during the recording process. Recording button. Start or pause recording. Wi-Fi button. To turn on or off Wi-Fi. Press and hold for 2 seconds. It should be noted that when using the remote control for the first time, it is necessary to simultaneously press and hold the power button and Wi-Fi button on the remote control to pair with the host. App connected to mobile phone. Scan the QR code on your phone to download the Roadcam app. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Search for a Wi-Fi name starting with S50+, find the name and connect. Wi-Fi password, 12345678. Open the Roadcam app. Click on Connect Recorder to enter the recorder preview video screen. Format. The first use of the memory card requires formatting, which can be set in the mobile app. Indicator light. Red light constantly on, stop recording. Red light flashing, in the video recording. Green light constantly on, charging in progress. Green light off, charging completed. Blue light is always on, Wi-Fi is turned on. Blue light off, Wi-Fi turned off. Accessory assembly.